In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to handle zero errors using this function that we wrote in the last video. Now you can see if we swap this 2 to a 3 and we run this, we'll get this error of division by 0, even though these are completely valid points. So what we can do to handle this is we'll actually just copy this and bring it down. So we'll paste it and we'll just edit our function a little bit. We can come down here and set if x1 equals x2, return 0. Now what this will do is if these two inputs are equal, it'll just return us 0 as that would be the slope. If not, it'll just run this. Now we can see we're getting an answer for 0. Another way to go about this is using try and except. We'll shift down here and we'll press tab twice and we're going to do try colon. We're going to copy this. We're going to come down another line and we could do except zero division error, and we could just tab into this. Now if we run this, we also get 0. I personally prefer this as it's much simpler, but this is also an option with other functions as they become more complex. Now that's you can handle zero division errors with the slope function, and I hope that helps.